Okay. This is the bathroom. Or one of the bathrooms. We'll have to take all this stuff out. New paint, new roof, new flooring, new doors, new carpet. This is a master bedroom. Master bathroom. It's really scary in here because there's a lot of stuff on the floor. And there's no electricity. No, this didn't get hit by Harvey. It's been on the market and we finally got the go to purchase. So it's been purchased and we're ready to make it look all clean and new. So once we start cleaning it up, I'll be sending pictures and videos so you guys can see it.